Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at another CTF, which is FoWsniff. I've already started the machine and this is our IP address. Let me save the IP address. Let's do okay, let's do IP equal 10.10.249.81 export IP. Okay, so I'm already connected to the VPN, and this machine does not respond to ping, so I'm not gonna do any. I'm not gonna ping it because I'm not gonna get anything back. So we can start by running an nmap. Let's do n dash a t4 pn to skip ping and the IP address, and then we're gonna save it to a text file. We're gonna call it open port. Let's see, nmap 84. Let's use. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. As you can see, I've already started this box already, but I never got a chance to finish it completely. So today I'm going to start from the top and go all the way at the bottom and finish everything. Okay, the nmap scan is done, so let's take a look. We have port 22 open, we have SSH open, we have HTTP, we have port 110, which is POP, which is port office protocol. Is it port office? I think so. And we have nmap, which is internet message access protocol, which run on port 143, and 993 for the secure one, and then for POP I think that's 995 for the secure version of POP. So we got nothing fancy going on, just 4 port. So let's do go buster. Let's go and see what the question says. Deploy the machine. On top of the right of this you will see deploy. Okay, we've done that. Use nmap scan. That just finished. We have 4 port running. Using the information for the open ports, look around, what can you find? Let me do a go buster. I think that should be quick. There you HTTP. Let's do the IP-W USO share word list. We're going to use dir and common. Excuse me. Okay, we have some action. While the scan is running, we can check some of these directory out. Let's open another tab. Let's do 10. Let's do 10.10. I think it's 190. Yeah, 249-81, and then we can check out HT access. We got nothing. We can check out HT password. We got nothing. We can check HT. I forgot the dot in front of them, but still, I don't think I have permission anyway. HT access, same thing. HT password, gonna be the same thing. Okay, what else we have? Assets and image. We can quickly check those out. Okay, nothing interesting. We can check out image. Is it image or images? Okay, yeah, probably the image we're gonna find out when we check out the website. Whoa. Service that is not gonna show us anything, I doubt it. And then we can check out, I think they have an index that's just HTML. Okay, so that is the official site. It's at FoWsniff Corp, delivering solutions. Our website is temporarily out of service. We apologize for the inconvenience. FoWsniff internal system suffered a data breach that resulted in the exposure of employee usernames and password. Client information was not affected due to the strong possibility that employee information has been made publicly available. All employees have been instructed to change the password immediately. The attackers were also able to hijack our official FoWsniff Corp Twitter account. All of our official tweets have been deleted, and the attackers may release sensitive information via this medium. We are working to resolve this as soon as possible. We will return to full capacity after a service upgrade. Robot.txt, I think we saw on the Nmap skin that there was a deny entry or something like that, so I don't think we're gonna find anything there. So we can check out the Twitter page. It seems like they have a Twitter page. We can check that. Let's go over here. Let's check out the Twitter page. Let's see what we find. Okay. Okay, we have something. This account is part of an educational challenge. It has been created by Berserk. For more information, see the explanation. Okay, let's see. Okay, we find out the Twitter account using Google to find. Okay, can you decode these defined hashes? You can even use sites like hash killers to decode them. Okay, let's look around. Let's check out these links. Nothing. Nothing. Check out this one. Okay, nothing. So what we can do is we can go back in time. I feel like since we are in 2025 and 2023, 24, I think what is this? Yeah, it said this space has been deemed potential harmful. Pastebin took the necessary step to prevent access on August, so we can use with the Wayback Machine site to see what was going on before that date, before they prevent access. So we're gonna go to the Wayback Machine. And then we're going to check these two out. They're pretty much the same thing, so I'm just gonna use the first one. Okay, so we have some activities in 2020. There was entry. Let's check it out. Okay, FoWsniff is a fictional company, and all tweets, password, users, hostname, paste, and emails are entirely fictional. These materials or is part of a capture the flag educational challenge created by Berserk on Twitter. All material regarding FoWsniff is fictional. Okay. Nothing interesting. We don't see any password. We can check out the second one, which is this one. Let's go back here. Okay, so we have some entry in May. Wait, was it? Which entry is this? So this was in June 6, 2020 is when, if we had visited this site at that time, we would have got this, but thanks to the Wayback Machine, we can still have access to it. So I'm guessing these are the username and password that has been leaked from the company. So I'm just gonna copy them, and then I'm going to create text. I'm going to create a text file inside of here. We're gonna name it, create a new file. We're gonna name it user in hashes .txt. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to split this in two. Yes, let's use the command line for that. Okay, so let's go. Okay, perfect. So now we have both by themselves. Now we can, let's minimize this. We don't need this anymore. Let me quickly verify that I didn't mess anything up. So 8A11990A90E 4 and F7. Okay, perfect. So we can close this. We can close this. We can close this. We can close this. Okay, so now this one second you decode this MD5 hashes. You can even use sites like HashKiller. Let's try CrackStation and see. Oh well, there you go. So these are the password. I don't know why John wasn't working, but so only one of them didn't work. I'm not sure if that's what caused the whole thing not to work, because one of the hashes was not found, but we have our list of password. Please tell me it's not gonna copy the oh god. This is ridiculous if I'm being honest. Let's see. Yep, it's a mess. Okay, so we should have 8 because there's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we should have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. So now I'm gonna save this and then I'm gonna rename it. Should rename it as move to trash. Is that the username? Yes, so that's the username. Okay, so we should be good. Let's just rename this password instead. Perfect. Alright, so now let's see. Okay, we can move on. What else do they want us to do? Using the username and password you captured, can you use Metasploit to boot force the PAP login? Let's do user Sena, I think. Okay, there's the pass. I think it's Scooby-Doo. Well, there you go. First guess correctly. Instead of wasting time on Metasploit, which we've and look at that, it tells us right here. Oh, I've done this already though. I could have just used this. Oh well. Yes, so the username that we used to get in this email server is Sena. So now that we're in, we can just list. We have 2 messages, so we can do OETR, I believe, 1 to get the message. Yep. So they all, a few days ago, a malicious actor was able to gain entry to our internal email system. The attacker was able to exploit incorrectly filtered escape characters within our SQL database to access our login credential. Both the SQL and authentication system use legacy method that had not been updated in some times. Okay, so we got ourselves a temporary SSH password, which I already have. So now we can do list again, and with the second message we can do RTR. Okay, so this is the second message from to Sena from Backstein. Devin, you should have seen the bracelet into HA today. We are going to be talking about this one for a long time. Who knew the regional manager had been in the Navy? She was swearing like a sailor. Okay. Next time you're going to get sick and miss the managerial blowout of the century, at least keep it to yourself. Feel better. Okay, so we can see that Baxton did not change his password because he's still using the default SSH password. So we're gonna use him as our lucky guy to get into the SSH machine. So in the email, who sent it using the password from the previous question, and the sender username, connect to the machine using SSH. Well, actually, if you're looking at this, yeah, the sender, that's what they said. The sender is Baxton, so we're gonna use him. So let's exit out. Yeah, okay, I don't know. Okay, let's exit out. We're gonna do SSH Baxton. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna remember this, the IP eventually, but oh, I did actually. Okay, so backsteam. Let me make sure I spelled that correctly. Oh my god, I already exit out. I think there was only one E, if I'm being honest. Okay, it's all backsteam. There's no C. Did I put C in mine? Yes, I did. Oh, there's double E actually. Okay, so I'm gonna do yes. And then we're gonna use the password for him, which is this. Okay, perfect. That's not clear out yet. Let's see. Due to the recent security breach, we are running on a very minimal system. Contact AJ Stone immediately about changing your email and SSH password. Okay, now once connected, what group does this user belong to? Are there any interesting file that can be run by the group? Okay, we can do find group users type F2 dev null oh, I see users missing the S. To let this run, let's take a look. So they want us to use a reverse shell update mod. Okay, so the only thing that look interesting, let's see, map, this thing, all of these looks like regular file or folders. Let's go all the other tab. I did saw a .sh, which is interesting. So we have we do have a cube .sh. Let's do an ls -l. I think it was in app cube.sh. As you can see, the owner only have read and write, and others have read, write, and execution right, and then everyone else only have read, write. So since we are everyone else, we can run this script, this cube script. So this, what is next? Now that you have found a file that can be edited by the group. Oh yes, the second part is group. That's true. So user, group, and everyone else. I think I said it backward. Yes. So these three, the first. So starting at RW dash read write, no access, read write execution for group, read write execution or whatever is for other. So group do have read, write, and execution, right, for this file. Okay. Now you have found a file that can be edited by the group. Can you edit it to include a reverse shell? Okay, so let's copy this. We are almost at the finish line. So now let's do nano. Let's do app cube again. We're going to edit this. We're gonna paste our reverse shell in. Is that it? Yes, it is. The only thing that we need to fix is the IP address. We're gonna put that in quotation mark, and then we need to pass our tunnel IP address. Let me see what that is. Let's do. Okay, I don't need this. Let's do clear. Let's do if config 1073.74.19 1070. I'm pretty sure that's not correct, but ten 1374. Look at that. So this is supposed to be 74 and this is supposed to be 13. So 10 13 74 19 is what we need to use. Okay, everything is set. Now we can exit out. Control O and Control X will get the job done. Now we can take a look. Cube again. So this is the reverse shell. So pretty much what's going on is this is supposed to be this cube shell. All it does is print this banner, and also this when it runs. Okay, so now let's move forward. Okay, if you have not found out already, this file run as root when a user connects to the machine using SSH. We know this as when we first connect, we can see we get given. I think that was a typo. We get giving a banner with FoWsniff Corp. Look at the etc. Okay, let's take a look at inside of the cd etc update my place header. Let's take a look at 00 header. Okay, so we can see this file do run our sh program at the bottom. We can see that right here, even though everything else is commented, meaning they're not doing anything. So the only thing that's gonna run the next time someone log in is this Python, no, not Python script, this bash script, and we will get a reverse shell. So let's put that to the test. First thing first, I need to do ncat listener. We're gonna do lvp 1 2 3 4, and then over here, am I missing anything? We got our ncat listener going on, and then for this guy we're gonna have to exit out, and we're gonna have to log back in. Let me get the password from him. And once we log in, we should get our reverse shell on the other side. Let's press enter. Oh, I don't think nothing happened though. Why? I'm so low. Is it 150? Seriously? Nothing is happening? Okay, I think something might be wrong. Let me see something. Did I put the correct IP address though? Nope. Here's the cat. Cube. Okay, let's see what we got going on. Ten, 13, 74, 19. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I don't think I messed up anywhere. I mean, it does seem to work with my IP address pop up over here. From 1070, 10,074, 19. Yeah, everything will seem to be okay. Let's do city, etc. update. Is this good? This is good. Everything in here is good, right? Let's go. Okay, wow. Okay, let's do this. Let's do. Let's right in here. Let's do SSH. Last step is usually the hardest to get by. We are almost at the finish line, and something that'll be messing up with us. Wait, messed up on this. Did I accidentally delete something? Let's do nano again. Let's do nano Q. Okay, maybe I accidentally put something I shouldn't put something somewhere. Something, so let's start over. Let's start over from scratch. So I know if it's me or if it's that damn thing. excuse my language. Nope. Why are we using Python to begin with? I just don't get this command. Yeah, I don't get it. Okay, let's copy it again. Oh, I see what's the problem. The Python 3 was never included because I copied it from the socket. Oh. Okay, now I see. Yeah, because at the beginning I only saw socket. I didn't see Python 3-C. Yes, now I see what was the issue. Okay, let's fix it. Okay, it should be 1, 2, 3 because we are almost there. Where's the IP address? This is the IP address, right? Let's do 1073 1419. So let me double check that. Let's exit out. 10 13 7. Yep, I do the same thing again but in reverse. 13. Okay, so 10 13 74 19. Okay, perfect. So let's save this. Let's exit out. Let's verify our stuff. Cube. Okay, now that looks more correct now. Well, hopefully it works. Let's see. Okay, so now let's do NC again. L VP 1 2 3 4. Okay, now let's exit out. Let's do okay, let's copy this. Let's see if this is going to work this time. Wait, what? Come on, I know the password is correct. Backstick. Why is it stuck? Wait, let's check out. Okay. Oh, that's why it's stuck. Oh, I got it. Alright, so yes, so the mistake was that the Python reverse shell was incomplete when I type it in there. So we have our reverse shell. Now we can type ID. We can see that we are root. So we have full access of the machine. We can do cd dash cd dash root. Yep, that's where the flag is gonna be, right? Yes, sir, man. You could also type fine if you want it to be fancy. Fine. Name. Flat. Wait, let me see. Is it? Wait, is it name? Flag. Type F. Is that correct? Let's see. You could also do that. I don't know why they always put the flag inside of root, not anywhere else, to make it more challenging. Well, there you go. That did not work. That did not. Well, oh yeah. I think my. I'm always doing extra. Yep. Look at that. I'm always doing extra. I know. No, the password is incorrect. Unbelievable. Okay, let's take our time. Is this correct? Let's see. Backstein 1010 password is, let's paste this in. Okay, so now let's stop messing around. Let's do cd root. Now let's do list cat. Let's do cat flag.txt. So there you go. Is that congratulations? Yes, congratulations. A wood flag. Nice work. The CTF was built with love and every bit by Berserk on Twitter. Special thanks to PSF. Is there a flag that we need somewhere? No, there's no flag. Okay. This was very easy. Even though it kind of looked like I was struggle a little bit, but yeah, I enjoy it. It was fun, doing something different, because most of the box that I've done before, I haven't really got any chance to really dive into mail server and do much, just basic level stuff. But I guess that's what come with those easy CTF. They're always gonna be very simple, very basic. Okay, I know this was kind of a mess because I was all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Learn something. So until next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.